Yes, ang ating messenger para pautangin niyo ko. Yes, no. Pautang ng pag-ibig. Hands up po sa inyo lahat. And of course, just leave a comment down below.
Now, there's nowhere to hide.
Well. Long time no see. Now we see. It means no see. Balasa. Selos. Sangkapa. Selos. Magandang gabi umaga po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to our channel. Yes, ang channel na walang enta. Love Hotline.
Now, there's nowhere to hide. Since you push.
Yes, mga pusong nagsiselos, mga pusong nasaktan, tulad ko, isang OFW na nalulungkot, nasaktan pagkatapos ginawang para usan. I'm only joking. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to ating live streaming. No, tapos ang ating live streaming. Love Hotline. Si Selos. Nagselos si Kuya sa araw, and of course, ate sa gabi. Wala tayong patumpik-tumpik pa. Dear Queen Angel, Marso, yes. Marso, nung umalis ako sa bansang Pilipinas, and of course, right now, I've been in here in Dubai almost magdadalawang buwan na. Diba? Sa araw na ito is a very special day. It's anniversary of especially of my wedding day. And I found out lately, Queen Angel, bakit ganyan? Alis ko lang nun sa bansang Pilipinas. Allah, meron na palang kirida ang aking jowa. Kasi ako ang original. Actually, kasal kami. And wala kaming anak. Yun nga lang, na-find out ko na buntis yung isang third party. What can I do to make me happy, Queen Angel? I feel so sad. Gusto kong umuwi, but I don't want kasi meron akong utang. Well. Problema. And for you and I must make a pact. You must be salvation bag. Just call my name and I'll be there. Mahal kong kaibigan, bakit wala? Umalis ka for the better future to you and for him. And I understand among situation, sometimes when we thought the honesty is too much, green grass of home, he got a pen and he played the pen. Oh my God, pen, this Sarah pen. Medyo mahirap na sagot yan. This all you don't need to be stressed. Alright? And you travel around the world. You travel for work. Work. This all you is keep it up to your good work, and of course, don't pay attention. Nakabuntis siya, it's okay. And I understand. You wanna give him chance, but they need him. Kasi nakabuntis siya, diba? And of course, maybe God knows, meron siyang plano para sa'yo. You don't need to be stressed, mga kaibigan. Just all you work hard and make money. Para sa family mo at para sa'yo. And hangad ko ang iyong tagumpay. And I thank you. Yes, mga kaibigan. Maraming beses, nasaktan, nagmahal, iniwan. Yes, pinulot ka lang sa lupa. At walang himala. Dear Kuningo, yes. Isa akong kuya sa araw. Yes. Sa gabi, isa akong ate. Yes. Andito ako sa bansang Japan. Yes. Nagtatrabaho bilang isang combo. Sa Kapampangan sabi nila kasi sa banda isang combo. Yes, I work here as a lead singer and I fall in love and in here in Okinawa. They have a base in here, US Air Force Base, but I found love. Tumibok ang puso ko. Ala! Pinainom kasi ako ng isang tequila. Ala! And of course, naiba ang pintig ng puso ko. Naging ate ako sa gabi. Kinis ako ng isang afam. And I fall in love with a Coco. And he teach me how to doggy. And one night, we played the pen di sarap. Di kutsilyo di amasel. Aw di karabaw di batuten. Ala, confirm. Well. well, kuya. Kung saan ka masaya, ano ba yan? Huwag kang mag-alala, kuya. Kung saan ka masaya, supportahan ka. Yes. And Kuya Angel, gusto ng aking tatay na mag-asawa at magkaroon ng apo. Ala, sabi ko naman wala na akong bahay bata. Nabibili ba ang bahay bata, Kuya Angel? Ano ang gagawin ko? And I feel I'm Ate Angel Night. Sa araw, well, kuya naman ako. Anong gagawin ko, Kuya Angel? Well, hindi naman yung problema, Di ba? Because all you do is, kung saan ka masaya, supportan ka. Continue your work. Continue your achievement your life. Help your family. Di ba? Huwag kang ma-stress. Malay mo ang afam na yan. Naging afam ko rin. Charot. I'm only joking. Yes, malay mo siya magbibigay ng magandang buhay sa'yo. Go to America, make a green card. Kunin mo nanay mo, kunin mo ang tatay mo. Diba? Malay mo gagawin ka ng prinsesa pagdating doon. Diba? Mag-Air Force ka rin. And I thank you. Congratulations. Yes. And you got one more letter. Bakit di ako nagsiselos, Kuya Angel? Sawang-sawa na ako sa pagsiselos. Katkati talaga ng ilong ko. Yes, Kuya Angel. Andito ako sa bansang Pilipinas. Kauwi ko lang. Galing ako ng bansang Bahrain. Maganda naman ang trabaho ko, Kuya Angel. But ang problema, selos na selos ang asawa ko. He don't want me to come back in abroad. But how to? I got the contract and I got the two-way ticket. And we got 2 kids. And I've been almost in trouble almost like 5 years. He lost a job before. He told me he take care of the kids, but he's not. I was the one take care of the kids. And lagi siya nagiinom-inom. Nagsiselos siya lagi. What can I do? Kuya Angel. Gusto kong bumalik sa June. Tinago niya ako ng dokumento. At sabi ko, please, gagawin ko ang lahat para sa ating family, but you don't believe selos. Wow! Yan ang problema. Nagsiselos pa siya. Pen is our pen. Because you really have myself. Well, my friend, this old you huwag mo pansinin siya. Tell to him one day before you leave na umalis ka dahil sa iyong family at na dahil sa kanya. Iwasan niya ang mag-selos. Kasi masisira ang iyong pangarap and you've been in trouble almost 5 years. Sayang naman. And because your employer, they are really good to you. At hangad ko ang iyong tagumpay and I'll always praying na magtatagumpay ka, keep up all your good work and always be safe and good luck. Yes, mag-ipon ka ng pera and of course 2 years more, 3 years more after that, your contract going back home and magtayo ka ng negosyo. That's all you do sa kanya, alang-alang sa iyong family. Well, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. We'll see you for next time. Ang inyong Kuya Angel is handang maglingkod. Open ang ating email. Yes, ang ating messenger para pautangin niyo ko. Yes, no. Pautang ng pag-ibig. Palimos ng pag-ibig. Walang himala. Pinulot ko lang sa lupa. Selos. Selos. Saan ka pa? Selos. Saan ka pa? Puro selos na lang. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, just leave a comment down below. And please, don't forget to share the love tonight. Subscribe, the comment down below for our way to 100,000k for you po. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for trusting my channel. So wala akong ending video. Thank you po so much for supporting all my short music video. Thank you so much. I love you. Paalam!